Steelmama specializes in the development of roof roll forming machines. Feeding uncoiler is used to keep the steel coils standing and uncoiling to ensure stable operation. Manual feed shears delivers smooth, effortless cutting in a single operation. Polished surface and heat treatment for molds can keep the molding plate surface smooth and not easy to be marked when stamping. It adopts hydraulic drive to automatically position, determine the size and cut the target product. Ensure that the overlapping accuracy of the finished product is controlled within plus or minus 1 millimeter. Our automatic palletizing discharge rack can automatically stack and classify materials according to the output. Reduce time and labor costs. Commitment. Delivery within 45 days. 18-month warranty.